I kind of skipped a few steps, but I've got the dash back together, and we'll check the operation of the tilt once again. It's all nice and solid. It's even more solid than it was before. Huh, well, there we go. You probably can't see it. Let me you probably can't see the tilt. Okay, so we are going to hook the battery back up. I had to borrow one out of the blue truck. I've only got one battery. I hope to alleviate that problem soon. Okay, we have lights. They even have the emission light coming on like it's supposed to now. See? Hey, let's try a turn signal. Okay, that arrow lights up. Okay, I have the front markers lighting up. Let's try another side. Okay. I have no back lights. Okay. Well, I don't know what would be the cause of that, unless that is up in here somewhere. Okay, well, I'm close. Okay, stupid ass me. Turn indicator light flashes. Just remembered that there was a harness that I did not have plugged in. So we have a brake switch, a turn indicator there. And that all works there. And we see this side flashes. So we have a turn signal again. All right. One last thing before I shut it down. Okay, let's see if it cancels. That side cancels. And that side cancels. And this connector down here, all of that was unhooked. Stupid me. Oh yeah, one last thing I thought I would show you. A lot of work went into getting this dash cleaned up. I even painted the XL emblem on. I know I did not do a very good job of masking it, but it looks better than it did. I just was bored and decided to do it. I could have done a better job. Way better. All this wood grain cleaned up. I fixed it. It was 2 holes here. The registers, I repainted the border on them. Dash doesn't, well, except for the gaping hole here, and I'll probably like get a speaker grill or something to put over it. Because I just don't think that I really should, no more than the truck is used for and anything, I don't think that I'll need to put a whole lot of money in fixing the dash. Especially when it needs a floor mat, and among other things. Well, but the dash has made a lot of progress. Well, it looks good so far. Alright, I'm going in. I got a class here in a little while anyway. Thanks for watching.